Hey, today I'll show you how to go from an idea to a realistic AI video using ChatGPT to build a prompt. Then pasting that prompt into Google Gemini VEO to generate the clip. I'll explain the prompt structure, show live examples, and share pro tips to achieve cinematic motion, consistent characters, and natural sound. By creating realistic AI-generated videos, you can earn money on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. So stay tuned and let's get started. Start tuned.
Now, to create this AI video, first thing first, you head over to your browser and search for VEO3. Alright? Then you look for Google DeepMind and you click on it. Then right here, you click on Try in Flow. Okay? Then right here, you click on Create with Flow. Okay? So again, you click on Create with Flow. Immediately, they will ask you to log in with your Google account. Now, I'm going to log in with my Google account, the one that's on the Pro version, okay? So in case you want to get the Pro version of VEO3, watch the video you are seeing on the screen. The video will guide you on how to get the free Pro version, okay? So I'm going to enter my Google account right here in the input field, okay? Alright, now that I've logged in, the next thing to do is to click on New Project, okay? So now let me quickly explain the three powerful ways you can create videos in VEO3, okay? But before that, I will click on this place. As you can see, we have text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. These are the ways of creating powerful videos in VEO3, okay? So now let me explain them one by one, starting with text to video. So text to video is when you enter your prompt or description and immediately it will use that prompt or description to change it into a video, okay? Then for the frames to video is when you use your image or prompt to generate a complete video, okay? For ingredients to video is a professional mode where you can use image, script or prompt, styles, background, and when you combine all these things, it will use them to generate a full complete video, okay? So for the purpose of this video, we are going to use text to video, okay? So right here, first of all, I will head over to this place and I will show you something here. So before you start creating a video, make sure you choose this output pay prompt to 1, okay? Unless you want to choose 3, you want your video to generate 3 or 2 or 4, anyone, but for less cost you select 1, okay? So this one is for if you want your video to be in landscape or portrait, okay? So I'm going to leave it in landscape, okay? So this is for module, all right? So right here is VEO3 point fast. It's basically going to give your video an audio sound, all right? Then this is for VEO 3.1 quality. It's the same thing with fast, 3.1 fast, okay? And it's going to give your video an audio sound, okay? Then VEO2 fast is not going to give your video an audio sound, okay? it will just generate the video and then it's left for you to do voiceover. Okay, the same thing with veo 2 quality. All right, so I'm going to leave it in veo 3.1 fast, okay, because I really want the video to come with voice. All right, so let me quickly show you another thing you need to know. So if you leave it text to video, it's going to cost you 10 credits. Okay, so let me show you the credits I'm having here. As you can see, I have about 720 credits. Okay, but for the first time they will give you 1000 credits, and once it's exhausted you will not be able to generate a video again unless you pay for another one, and they will give you another credit. Okay, so right here let me create a video with prompt. Okay, so I will use prompt. So the prompt I want to use is I will simply type create a cinematic video of a Nigerian tech creator explaining AI video, AI tools in a modern studio. All right, and okay, I think let me delete this one. Let's leave it. Let's stop it here. Okay, so I asked VEO3 to create a cinematic video of a Nigerian tech creator explaining AI tools in a modern studio. Okay, so let's test it and see how it's going to look. So you click on here. So as you can see, it's creating the video, and this will take like 5 seconds to complete. Okay, so let's be patient. All right, it has successfully generated the video. Now let's watch it and see how it's being generated. Okay,
So break down let's break down the top 5 AI tools you need to integrate into your workflow right now to maximize efficiency. So let's break down the top 5 AI tools you need to integrate in.
all right. Wow, it's very so nice. It's so amazing. Okay, very good. It doesn't look like an AI. It's actually looking like a real human being. Okay, so if you want to download it, you click on this icon and click on original size. Okay, then it will ask you the location you want to save, then you select and you click on save, and it's going to save on your computer. Okay, so this is how you should create your own AI video. Okay, so in case you want to learn how to create a prompt, you seek help from ChatGPT, of which we are going to do it right now. Okay, so before we start seeking help from ChatGPT, I would like to learn another prompt, of which I save it in my notepad. So I'm going to copy it and let me paste it here. Okay, so the prompt says create a VEO3 prompt for a cheerful Nigerian teacher, Mr. Mark, who stands in front of a Nigerian classroom, smiling at his Nigerian student. He writes welcome on the board, then turns to the camera and says, "Hello everyone, I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make the fantastic year." Okay, so immediately the camera zooms out to show multiple students happily clapping and reacting. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate the prompt. Okay, the video is ready, as you can see now. Let me play the video. Okay.
Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make this a fantastic year. Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make this a fantastic year.
As you can see, the prompt does exactly what I want. So now, there's another thing I would like to do now, of which ChatGPT will help me to achieve it. Okay, so I will copy this prompt again, and I will head over to ChatGPT. Okay, so right here, what I want to do now is that I want to change the camera position. So I will say, I will type art as a prompt engineer. Okay, and add a better camera position. Okay, so I will send it. Okay, this is the front, as you can see. So I will go straight and copy this. I'll start from here. All right, then, and I will go to VEO3 and paste it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate the video. All right, the video is ready. Let's play it and see how it looks like. Okay.
Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make this a fantastic year. Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make this a fantastic year. Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Mark.
Okay, I think this one is better than the first one. All right. So now, the next thing to do, I'm going to show you how to create a consistent character. Okay. So before we start, I would like you to pay attention to this part because it's very interesting part that you should learn. Okay. So right now, I will go over to this place and click on this icon to copy the prompt. Okay. So I will use this prompt to generate the consistent character. After you copy it, you head over to ChatGPT. Okay, and you paste it here. Okay, so what I want to do now is ask ChatGPT to add three things and make the character consistent. Okay, so right now I'm going to add, I will say add three more things to this prompt and make the character consistent. Okay, throughout the generation. Okay, so there are the two things I want ChatGPT to do for me. First, I asked ChatGPT to add three more things to this front and make the character consistent throughout the generation. Okay, so now what I need from here is that I want this Mr. Mark to be consistent. Okay, I don't want it to change in every scene. Okay, so I want the character to be consistent. Okay, so if you want the video to be generated based on your own country, you replace anywhere you see Nigeria with the name of your country. Okay, so as we have Nigeria here, you change it to your name of your country. Okay, so right now I'm going to submit the prompt so that ChatGPT will help me to generate the character. Okay. As you can see, we have the first scene, the second scene, third scene, and the fourth scene. Okay. And these are the character consistency notes. Okay. So what I will do now is copy this first scene, copy this very first scene. Okay. And you paste it here. Okay. Then go back to ChatGPT, scroll down to this place. Then you have to copy this character consistency notes and you paste it under this prompt. Okay. So this will make the character consistent. All right. Then click this place to generate the video. Okay. So as you can see, the video is ready. Let's play and see how it looks. Okay.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Mark, your new teacher. Let's make this a fantastic year.
Now let's paste the second scene. So I will go back and copy from this place and to this place. Okay. Then you go back and you click on this icon. Okay. When you click on it, you scroll up, highlight from here to this place. Okay. Then replace it the one you copied. Okay. So make sure you keep this character consistency notes. Okay. This will actually make your character consistent. All right. So I will click submit to generate the video. Okay. All right, the video is ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. Okay.
Who can tell me the answer?
So after watching the video, you notice that it's maintaining the same person. Okay. So this guy here is the same thing with what we have here. Okay. So right now I'm going to generate the text. So I copy it again. Then I will paste it. I will click on this icon. Then you highlight it from here to this point. Then you replace it, the one you copied. Okay. So make sure you still keep this character consistency notes. Okay. Then after that, click on the button to generate the video. Okay. All right, the video is ready. Let's play it. Let's play it.
Great teamwork. Keep it up. Great teamwork. Keep it up.
So the video is still maintaining the same character, as you can see. So the next thing I will do now, I will copy for the fourth scene. Okay. So I will highlight it, copy it, then I go to this place, click on this icon again, and you replace it with the one you copied. Okay. Then you keep the character consistent. Okay. So the video is ready. Let's play it and see how it looks. Okay.
Well done today, class. See you all tomorrow.
So this is how you can actually create a consistent character. Okay. So we started from here. This is the first scene, and this is the second scene, and this is the third scene, and this is the fourth scene. Okay. So another thing you should know about this AI generation, sometimes it might not give you the exact person that we are using as a character in every scene. All right. So let me show you example of that. So if I scroll down, it's not exactly the same person that is used here that is actually used in this one. Okay. So in case it didn't give you the exact character, all you have to do is to regenerate the scene again in order to give you the exact character. Okay. So before I would end this video, let me tell you how you can actually create your own video. You know, this AI video is all about your idea, creativity. Even though you don't know what to create, all you have to do is go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you your own story. Okay. In case if you are a content creator, or if you want to start content creation, you ask ChatGPT to give you your own content and a story that you will be using for your own content. Okay. ChatGPT will do everything. There is no need to stress yourself. Okay. So for instance, I will ask ChatGPT to give me a Nigerian movie story. Okay. So I will submit it and immediately it will give me a story. Okay. So the storyline says Chidinma Okafor is a hardworking young woman from a humble background in Enugu State, and so on. So right now I will copy the storyline. Okay. Then if copy it, copy everything. Make sure you copy everything. Okay, included with the character, and you paste it. Okay. So what you have to do now is you ask ChatGPT to use this. Okay, we say use this storyline to create a realistic VEO3 prompt. Okay. And make the character make the character consistent. So in every prompt, make sure you are adding make the character consistent in order to make the character story, in order to keep the character consistent. Okay. So you go ahead and submit it, and immediately it will create the prompts for us. So as you can see, this is the prompt. We have the first scene. This is the first scene of this prompt. So we have second scene and so on. Okay. So okay, it's still creating the prompts. Okay. So right here is the character consistency requirements. So as you can see, we have Chidinma Okafor as the first character, and we have Mr. Richard Adewale, okay, and so on. All right. And these are the characters that we have in this storyline. Okay. So this is how you can actually create your own story using ChatGPT. Okay. So anytime you want to create a movie, you can get the idea from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you your own story. Okay. Then you copy out that story again and ask ChatGPT to give you your prompts for the story. And once you provide the story, you just copy the story by scene. All right, start from scene 1 to this place. Okay, and you copy this character consistency. Okay, also you copy the visual styles. Okay, and you copy them and go to VEO3 and paste them to generate the video. Okay, so after you must have generated these scenes, copy them and paste them in your CapCut or any video editing software and use it to combine all the scenes. Okay, so that it will make sense. All right, so in my next video I will show you how to join the scenes with CapCut. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss my next video. Bye for now.